Guinness, not a big fan of the Guinness, but the gin's good.
Their accent is a bit hard to understand, but I shouldn't talk.
All the cranes, all the development going on in Dublin. I mean, it's remarkable. I mean, everywhere you look on the waterfront, there's a crane, which is very good for obviously for your economy.
Came here to drink, to be honest, and we landed in the wrong time of the morning, so it was a little bit quiet. But I guess Dublin's one of those cities that sort of come to life in the afternoon. So we weren't disappointed yesterday.
Coming from a city environment, even though Dublin's a city, it's not the hustle and the bustle of a normal city. It's very welcome.
It was hard to find an ATM, but the good thing is we've seen lots of barbecues and front yards that are being used, a bit like home.
I find it's a very nice city, quiet, considering it's a capital of the country.
We had our tour guide spin out 2 songs within 2 blocks, and then basically every pub that we visited last night we were serenaded in some way or another with someone with the guitar.
The people are so friendly, and it's a great place to just wander around and see the sights, and the architecture is fantastic.
People actually take time to ease into the day and enjoy what's going on around them. That's my first impression.
There was a little bit of a fixation with the horse racing though, so even more so than at home in Australia.
If you're speaking to an Irishman, you don't really know if they're being serious or not. I don't know. I love the banter and the crack of an Irishman, yeah.
In spite of the climate, it's many cloudy days, the people is very friendly, so it's really a good surprise when you are here.
And the accent is such fun.